Hey friends, if you encounter high GPU usage by client server runtime, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the GPU drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the list for display adapter drivers. The GPU driver is basically the dedicated graphics card driver. This one will always be the integrated graphics driver. But anyway, you can simply right click and update both of them. Why take any risk? The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The third solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The last one is to adjust for best performance. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select the option to adjust for best performance, but yes, it will impact the appearance. Here's what I do. I usually check this box smooth edges or screen fonts and keep everything else unchecked. Click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.